Venkataraman was born on 7th November 1888. He was an Indian physicist who made notable works in the field of light scattering, and it was according known as Raman effect. In 1930, he won Nobel Prize in Physics, and he was the first Nobel Prize winner in Asia. We, Holy Child CEMHS Snehagiri commemorates him on his birth anniversary. Let us know more about C.V. Raman.
I am Dr. C.V. Raman. I am a physicist. I was born in November 7, 1888 in Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. I completed my primary studies and had my higher studies in Presidency College, Chennai. I have some inventions related to light. Change in the wavelength of light that occurs when a light beam is deflected by molecules. I got Nobel Prize for this invention. Some of the equipments works according to this theory. They are spectroscopy, spectrometer, and also some biomedical applications. Thank you.
Dr. C.V. Raman was born on 7th November in 1888 to the South Indian Brahmin family at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu. His parents are Chandrasekhar Ramanathan Iyer and Parvati Amma. He was the second of 8 siblings. Raman studied at St. Aloysius Anglo-Indian School. He passed his matriculation at just 11 and 12th class at the age of 30 with a scholarship. In 92, he joined the Presidency College and received his graduation degree in 1904. He has done his Masters in Physics in the same college and broke all the previous records.
Now let us see about his career in detail. He cleared Financial Civil Service examination and topped in it in 1907. He went to Calcutta and joined as Assistant Accountant General. In 1917, he joined as Professor of Physics in University of Kolkata. Later, he became the professor at Bangalore from 1933 to 1948. He became the director of Raman Institute of Research at Bangalore. In 1924, he was elected as a Fellow of the Royal Society. He won the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1930. He was awarded the Franklin Medal in 1941. He was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1954, the highest civilian award in India. In 1957, he was awarded the Lenin Peace Prize. On February 28, every year in India celebrate National Science Day to commemorate Raman effect in 1928 in his honor. Thank you.
Today I am going to speak about the Raman effect. In 1921, C.V. Raman was on a trip to Europe when he noticed the striking blue colors of some icebergs at the Mediterranean Sea. He was curious to understand the reason behind the phenomena, so he conducted experiments using transparent blocks of ice and light from a mercury arc lamp. He recorded the spectra from shining the light and detected what would come to be known as the Raman lines caused by the Raman effect. The Raman effect is a process of scattering of light particles by molecules in a medium. The scattering of light occurs due to the change in wavelength when it enters the medium. When a beam of light travels through a transparent, dust-free, a small fraction of the light emerges in direction other than where it should. This gave birth to the field of Raman spectroscopy, which have extensive application around the globe and across this field. Raman's work was expected to win the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1928 and the next year, but didn't until 1930. In 1986, the Indian government instituted the National Science Day on 28 February to be celebrated annually in every scientific and academic institutions of all levels. India celebrates National Science Day on 28 February every year in honor of physicist C.V. Raman's discovery of the Raman effect, which gave Asia its first Nobel Prize in Sciences in 1930. It was the first Nobel in physics for a non-white person and an Indian scientist. Thank you.